Hey YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. Today I'm going to do a little Amazon unboxing for you. However, set that slightly aside, running out of room. I didn't unbox this, but I wanted to show you. It helped inform this purchase. So I got the Tool Sorter Screwdriver Organizer in black. Part number, Google it. My screwdriver drawer was starting to get out of hand. It was just like stuff was all over the place, and so I got all my I like them screwdrivers over here. Some of the more stuff that's a little less useful on a daily basis over here, but it's organized really well, really easy to get to. No big deal there. It's $16. Whether that's worth it to you or not is a determination you need to make. But really, really low profile. Organizes, we got 7 big ones over here, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 slots over here, and then we got 3 slots here, and it's got holes for bits at the top. Not sure if you can zoom focus. There we go. So relatively well. I liked it. And so I also didn't like these, frankly. I like the wrenches, but the rack is 2 hands to get it out. I mean, come on, man. Right, it's positively affixed, but if I want to just grab a wrench, I might have something in my hand. I don't want to I don't like that. I don't like that. And so, Tool Sorter makes a wrench organizer, which I thought was pretty cool. And so I'm going to check that out. I got that in here, plus something else, which I'll show you in a moment. Boom. Tool Sorter wrench organizer. I got the red one because red. And then something else here. So I got the red one, wrench organizer. It does the flip in store. Right, so apparently you just do that, and then we do just grab my 1/2 incher and then go up 1/2 inch and store. Sure, good enough, right? That's fine. I dig it. I'm on board. So what I'm hoping to do is get all of my metric and standard inside this organizer, and you might stick around for that. But I also noticed that they had slots here for stubbies. They got full size and stubbies and some Tool Sorter whatevers. So I'm like, you know what? I don't have any stubbies, and I actually could have used a stubby when I was doing my install for my hitch. And Tekton had some stubbies. They were on sale. I didn't have any Tekton tools. I hear a lot of things about them. Figured, well, you know, why not? It's a decent time to pick some up. Neatly packaged. Comes in a wrench organizer there. So this is the Tekton stubby SAE set, standard set. See if I got a number for you guys. 8-piece stubby combination wrench set. Part number, Google it. Got it on Amazon. 25 bucks maybe. I forget, frankly. But these, that rack is a whole lot nicer. Oh my word. So this is 3/4 inch. This doesn't have a spot for 3/4 inch. So might be interesting fitting all of these in here. 11/16. This only goes up to what? 3/8. So yeah, these are dinkies. 3/8. 5/16. Quarter. I don't even have a 1/4 inch stubby, but I might leave this in the stubby rack because that's actually pretty nice, and it's low profile. It doesn't take up a ton of space. But this stuff, man. This whole like, oh well, I got a 1/4 here. There we go. There's a 1/4. 5/16. See, I can't get 5/16 up there. 5/16. Which way does this go? 5/16. quarter, 3/8. Come on, I hate this stinking thing. So done with that. So 7/16. Let's see. Yeah, I guess you just slide it up until it doesn't go any further. That's where it goes. That makes sense, right? So 9/16. 5/8. Do you guys really want to stick around and watch me organize my wrenches? I mean, I'm cool with it if you're cool with it. If that's what you like watching, that's fine. But that's what I'm going to be doing here. Like that's it. I think this is actually pretty. Is that 7? Ooh, that's a big one. 7/8. 3/4. 19 mil. I don't know. Do I have? Ooh, I have a 7/8 and a 19 mil. So I might have more than fit in here. I don't really have a spot for the 7/8. I'm glad I have it. It'll just go next to it on the thing, but yeah, awesome stuff. So this is 8 mil. Right, there we go. 9 mil. 10 mil. Which is the one that always gets lost, right? 11. I suppose I could space these out a little bit better. 12. This is why I hate this rack. 14. 13. 14, which I've beaten on. That thing is taking a beating. That's why I bought this whole set, was because the 14 was a monster. One thing to note is if they're offset, got to get them offset in the right direction consistently across all of them. There we go. 2 massive racks into 1 small rack. I like that. I'm happy with that. This fits a whole lot better and is a whole lot neater. I dig it. I dig them. Cool. I wish I had a spot for the 7/8 in there, but oh well. Hey, for 16 bucks, it's gonna help me out here. Yeah, I might do something with these stubbies. I don't know. We'll find out. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you guys have this stuff, drop a line in the comments. Tell me what you think. If you like what I'm doing here, hit like. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you want. I do amateur stuff all the time. That's all I do, because I'm an amateur. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Luke. This one didn't take an hour. Have a good day.